really tired. Just kind of hungry now too.
Yeah.
So since she's giving us an hour, we can walk to Pike's and get some big cake thing stuff. Oh yeah.
Hey, I was kidding about the back guys.
She's giving us an hour. At least she knew.
On the bench.
Oh, okay.
Whatever that is.
That's one guy there.
Whatever that is.
It's awesome.
Melissa, I told you to tie your shoelaces.
That wasn't a shoelace.
I told you to take care of your jeans.
There's a phone, right?
Huh?
Let's make a phone call. Beware of the rat. Rat can even see it. Beware the rat. Ew, rats.
What? You're the rat or rat?
I don't know where we're going. Go, go, go.
Hamburgers.
Careful, guys.
Does it
Careful.
sound like hamburgers to you? Chicken nuggets.
Beware of sewer water.